Now we're going to make this really beautiful centerpiece that's basically a great use of scraps of ribbon. So let's get started. I'm going to start by taking my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to cut a piece long enough that I can fold it in half, and I'm just going to lay this down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Now I'm going to take this piece of burlap ribbon and we're just going to fold it back and forth. So this is going to be the base. So this could be a really pretty centerpiece or door bow. And I'm just going to fold this back because it's the same on both sides of this ribbon. And it's not wired. It's just basically a really nice piece of fabric. So I'm just going to fold this back and forth and lay this in here. Fold it back over here and finish with this loop here. And then what I do is I have all of these different scraps of ribbon and I'm just literally laying them. I've already dovetailed, and if you're not familiar how to dovetail, basically you're gonna fold the ribbon in half and cut from the corner to the end, and that gives you your nice finished dovetails. So we're just going to keep laying these ribbon in here. And I love this because it's a great way to use all of your extra scraps of ribbon that actually turn into a gorgeous centerpiece. So we'll just fold that in here. And please comment, let me know what kinds of projects you'd like to see me do videos of in the future. And we're just going to put that in there and take another piece of this ribbon. And then I have this gold ribbon, we'll just lay that in. So we're just mixing and matching, and this is so super simple. I mean, all you really have to do is be able to lay the ribbon into your Bowdabra and lay that in there. And then I have these pieces that are a little bit wider. We're just gonna lay those in and take this one. And then I'm just gonna finish it with what I call a boutique bow. So we're gonna take our ribbon and we're gonna fold it in half because I don't want tails on this. And then I'm gonna take the right side of the ribbon and push that down into the Bowdabra. Then what I'm gonna do is bring it back around, again take the right side and scrunch that in. So I have a loop here. And then what I'm gonna do is bring this back around, and I'm gonna again take the right side of my ribbon and just push that down into the Bowdabra. So I have an X. Then I'm gonna do like my little mountain up here and do the same thing with this one where I'm just gonna do a little crease there. And then all I'm gonna do is take my Bowdabra wire and pull that through the slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, and pull it out. And I mean, how super simple was this? Bring it around to the back, and I'm gonna just tie a knot. So this could be a really pretty centerpiece bow, or you could also use it as a door bow. And then we're just gonna take it back around here and just fluff it out. And you have this beautiful finished centerpiece.